Hello and welcome. Welcome to the second Tuesday for July 2022. In this day, we are in the Patch Tuesday. And in Patch Tuesday, Microsoft is releasing the security advisories, rolling out the security updates that address a lot of security vulnerabilities that may impact Microsoft systems. These systems could include Windows, could include web, could include Office, could include Microsoft Azure services, and all of this stuff. And in today, Patch Tuesday from Microsoft, we have 84 vulnerabilities that has been fixed during this update. And 4 out of these 84 vulnerabilities are categorized as critical because they allow remote code execution. The number of bugs that has been fixed in this vulnerability include like 52 elevation of privilege vulnerability, 4 security feature bypass vulnerability, and about 12 remote code execution vulnerability, and a lot of stuff. And in order to get more details about this particular vulnerability, all what you have to do is to go to this URL and you need to filter by the duration that you need to find the vulnerabilities that has been released during this duration. And you will find a complete list of details about what are the updates that has been released so far, and what is the categorization of this vulnerability, and what are the related CVE. And if there is an update for this vulnerability, you will find the link to download the security update. One of the key vulnerabilities that has been addressed during this month's update is the CVE-2022-22047. And this vulnerability is categorized as critical because it allows the elevation of privilege in Microsoft operating system via exploiting a vulnerability in the CRSS. And this vulnerability is affecting Windows 2012 core installation. And if we are searching more about this CVE, we will find it only exists in the Windows 2012. So you need to act quickly. You need to have a proper patch management process. You need to have a proper vulnerability assessment process. And in this process, you can rely on commercial or open source tools that can help you in identifying what is the current version of Windows that you are running in your infrastructure and what is the recommended version by vendor to make sure that you don't have any outdated system. Of course, it is not recommended to apply the patch immediately. It is always preferable and always recommended to have a staging environment. And in the staging environment, you should have a proper testing for the patch before rolling it out to the production. Also, remember that any organization should have a process of a change management. And the change management is act as a preventive control to help you or to limit the adverse impact in case something went wrong, by having a proper testing and a proper approval before deploying out this patch. And remember to subscribe and follow my channel, because in my channel I usually provide up-to-date information about recent security threats, how to mitigate it, and how to counter this threat. Also, you may consider joining my Udemy classes, which are related to cybersecurity and related to information security, and I provide Udemy classes both in Arabic and both in English. For that reason, I released a new course in Udemy in information security basics, and you can use the link in the description below to this video to reach my course using my referral link. Also, I have a limited discount for my course using a promo or using a voucher that I will paste in the description as well. And this voucher give you like 50 or 40% discount on my course. So in case you are considering having a kind of security or having a kind of security knowledge and get up-to-date information, I would really recommend you to subscribe to my channel and try my online course on Udemy for cybersecurity basics and the information security foundations. And in this course, I am covering a lot of topics that can help you mastering information security from practical perspective. Have a great day, and I hope the content was informative, and good luck.